My name is Dan Sears. I am the IT team leader here at Gtech. We've been here now for 3 years, I believe, on this site. We moved from a smaller site in Ecl-ips, Worcestershire, where we had a CCTV system, but not on the scale of what we've got now. And the difference between the home-bought one back there and what we have now is massive, really. The quality difference is massive. Gtech as a company, we design and manufacture products for the home, which are split into two categories: floor care and then garden care. So the floor care products consist of our vacuums, sweepers. Then the garden care is more of a variety. We have leaf blowers, work lights, hedge trimmers, grass trimmers, and then we have our range of e-bikes. So it's a varied product range. Since moving into this building, we've obviously expanded massively. So we've got a lot more cameras on site. So hence the need for a professional service. So with the growth of the business, we encountered new problems which Ecl-ips were able to help us with. With the size of the building, we now have a lot more area to cover a lot of places that people don't always go. And also with the size of the call centre, this presented a new problem, which is why we have internal cameras, which is PCI compliance. So the call centre is all under camera. Externally, we have cameras all around the building for security, including an ANPR camera directed at the front gate. We have cameras in the gym for insurance purposes. These were things we didn't have to think about before, but now we are a bigger firm. These all need to be taken into consideration. And Ecl-ips helped us. They saw the problems. They highlighted things we hadn't thought of. And we're able to provide a solution. So here at Gtech, we had an existing relationship with Ecl-ips, and when we moved to the new building, we decided to continue that relationship. The installation was great. All the way through, we've not really had any trouble. It's been good from the start. It's been a good relationship. I would certainly recommend Ecl-ips. As a company, they are local to us, based in North Worcestershire. Always have a quick response to any issues I call in with. Maintenance updates through the year, always on time. Stephen, when he comes in, he's always thorough. And the response time has always been great, to be honest. It's always there as and when we need it. So I know that if there's been any problems, I can contact them and they are on site. It's great. So yes, would certainly recommend.